So greetings from wherever you are watching us from today. I'm bringing you this video today because some of you have been asking me this question, that how long should a tomato crop last in the field from the day of sowing to the day you will uproot it. So that's a very interesting question because that period is mainly determined by factors such as nutrition, pest and disease control, irrigation, and of course, the micro environment, whatever where the tomato is growing. First of all, this is Anna F1 variety. I think most of you know that this is a very popular variety uh, in East Africa, especially in Kenya. Though we have been having so many varieties, superior varieties coming up, but this has been one of the most grown crop by most farmers from the East African region. So this crop has been here for the past 10 months since it was transplanted, and as you can see, it is still growing vigorously and strong, and even the fruits, the size is also still big. Someone may ask, what's the secret, you know, to for us to achieve whatever we have achieved for this crop. So our main secret has mainly been nutrition, and of course pest and disease management, and of course water, of course irrigation. So if those three factors are well taken care of, I think you have a very healthy crop for uh, for that entire for a long time. Yeah. So first of all, before we plant, we started the project. We did a soil test and soil test uh, and discovered that the soil was basic, was alkaline, of a pH of around 7.5, which was a little bit high for the crop to do optimally. So we followed the recommendation from the soil tab to lower the soil pH. Then we did a fertility trench. So before we planted, we did a fertility trench here. Then we mixed we did a fertility trench in which we mixed goat manure, plant residues. So the plant residue, we just put a lot of, we had a previous cabbage crop, so we put cabbages there, and of course we mixed with the soil. So this is ideally, it was going to supply the plant with nutrients for quite some time. And of course mixing, also putting the fertilizers that we had recommended with. So we also applied basal fertilizers as recommended by the soil lab. So we did the Yara varieties, the Yara brands, which are also more popular in Kenya. Yeah. So as for the pest and disease control, we did scouting and sprayed, of course, the crop on time. So the main pest we had was tuta absoluta and whiteflies. If you look at, if you ask most farmers, what kind of problem they mostly have, they look at it, we say that most of them have a problem with tuta. So tuta is a very important pest in tomato. So if you control it properly, then you have a good crop. And also for the diseases, the most problem we had was powdery mildew, early and late blight, of course bacterial leaf spot, and anthracnose. But we dealt with that. We sprayed regularly, and we had no problem at all. Yeah. So back to that question, but about that question, I think the crop can go over 10 months, as long as the management is good and properly done. So thank you for watching.